Hello and welcome to Road Explorer USA. We're finally getting back to Route 202. We started this journey all the way back in Frenchtown on Route 12, so if you're curious at all, please go back and check out some of those videos. If you stick around to the end of the video, we've done a little additional research into the Somerville Circle, which you may find of some interest. We have another bridge over the Raritan River to look at before we continue north towards Morristown. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing to my humble Road Geek channel, even if you don't like my voice. The Somerville Circle opened in 1930 as part of an extension of Route 29 between Somerville and Flemington. The circle created a link connecting pre-1953 state routes 29, 28 and 31. The circle was designed to handle a maximum of 3,000 vehicles per hour during peak driving times. That total was eclipsed by 1963. Nearly 30 years went by without any remediation of the busy intersection. Some of those delays were caused by the totally anti-car Montgomery Township, who sued the state to block the proposed widening of 206 to Somerville. They successfully blocked the Somerset Freeway, if you can recall from a previous video. It wasn't until 1991 when the state of New Jersey began a 3-year project to modify the circle. Engineers decided to elevate Route 202 over the circle. It was estimated the flyover would eliminate 37% of the cars from the circle, or 25,000 cars per day. The project was estimated to cost nearly $15 million, but costs soared to nearly $28 million. The flyover opened in 1994 to much fanfare. It was hoped that the bridge over the circle would reduce accidents, but accidents actually increased the following year. The state was flummoxed. The Department of Transportation did install yield signs at the entrances to the circle to try and decrease the accidents, making it clear motorists within the circle had the right of way. This helped to a certain extent, but as you'll see in this video of myself going through the circle, a minivan pulled out right in front of me while I was in the circle. And that was only the second or third time I'd even driven through it.